everyone. This is Erna from Travel It Yoga channel.
In this video, I would like to share how to make a simple, colorful, small living gift for your family or your friends. There are many different ways to do stuff and a lot of great tips around us. The thing is, I want to share with you guys the most crucial things, how to make a simple, colorful, small living gift. Select your healthy succulent. Choose the one with the bright looking color and a nice shape.
I already have some cutting from my garden before, so some different type in here.
As you can see, I have different cutting of succulents. They are ready to be placed into their new houses. I utilize a mug as it is super simple, good size for a little cute succulent, and of course it's different. It is unnecessary to have a hole underneath your mugs as long as you can maintain how often you water your succulent. It's highly recommended to apply a special potting mix for cactus and succulent. This type of potting mix already provides food and some other important stuff in balanced composition, such as a perlite to keep the air and also fertilizer. Another thing, if you have styrofoam at home, you can use them instead of throw it in the bin. It also helps the soil to keep the air. Cutting into fine pieces, I'm gonna mix them with my potting mix. Alright, let's do these things. I'm going to add some pebbles on the top of my succulent. Main reason to add pebbles is to keep the soil inside the mugs when we water it. Top of that, my succulents look presentable in the mug with the colorful pebbles. It looks gorgeous. Your cactus and succulent, they still need water. Not too much, just enough. Especially they are inside the mugs, so we want to water them when the soil really dry. Keep your cactus and succulent in morning sun for about 4 up to 5 hours and let them enjoy the sun. The best fertilizer is tender loving and care. Support your plants by checking them daily or maybe weekly. And if you have little company like this, just take them away. And if you're still finding them in your branches or on the leaf, don't be hesitate to apply the alcohol just on your cotton bud and clean it up. It is a nutrition for them to grow healthy.
Read the instruction so you will know how much you need. You put your food into your cups. If you're still having unhealthy succulent, just take some pictures and show to your local gardener. They can help. This is actually a surprise for my classmate.